Okay, South Carolina, you have to replace Lindsey Graham. He's detrimental to the state and the country. Okay? You have to replace Lindsey Graham. So go out and vote in the primaries. Hear the date. And you want to go out and vote in the midterms. Okay? Now, you want to give it your all, which means you have to stay on every single social media. You have to stay on X. You have to stay on YouTube. You have to stay on TikTok. You have to stay on, and you have to stay on it every single day. Stay up on it. Stay up on what's happening. Stay up on whatever he says, because I went and checked. I went and checked how often and how much you talk about what you plan on doing for the state and for the country. And I also went and checked who hasn't been saying as much as they should say. Okay. And this woman right here is saying the most. This woman right here is saying the most, and she's actually trying to combat this nonsense that Lindsey Graham is saying. I went on to other people and I'm trying to figure out what they're about and everything like that. But it's not enough. You have to stay on it. Okay? You have to stay on it. So these are all the Democratic candidates. Okay? These are the ones running. Okay? You're going to have to choose between these. Now, when I'm looking at everything, it looks like Brown and Andrews are the top, but I think Andrews is staying up on it. She's on social media. She's talking. She is building her following. It takes a minute to build a following. You got to be on there all the time and talking about real stuff that's going on right now. I don't care if it's in the middle of the night. I don't care if it's in the morning. I don't care if it's in the afternoon. Matter of fact, the more you get on there, the better, because that's free. All that's free. Okay? But South Carolina, you must flip that Senate seat. Okay? Take it away from Graham. Take it away. Unless you just love the fact that he wants to take the lives of your sons and daughters. Okay? Because that's what he wants to do. He wants to cancel their dreams for a whole war that shouldn't have even happened. And if you truly read the scripture for what it says, okay, this thing is controlled by demons. Revelation 16 is controlled by demons. So if you truly do follow God, you definitely wouldn't follow demons trying to get you to go to war, okay, to create, as they said, Armageddon. Those are demonic forces. It's right here. Those are demonic forces. If you claim to follow God, you don't take orders from Satan. If you claim to follow God, you don't take orders from demons. Case closed. Case closed. Get him out of there. And anyone else like him.